Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device meets essentials, OS up to date and enough storage. Once done, long press the home screen to open the widget gallery. Make sure to tap the Photos or Photo widget option. Choose a size, small, medium, or large, because size controls composition and frequency of photo rotation. Then drag the widget to your chosen screen. This gets the icon in place. Next, you'll connect it to your albums so it shows the images you want. Now configure what the photo widget displays and why. Tap the widget or open the app's widget editor to set the source. Choose a specific album if you want curated photos, select people collections for faces, or use featured photos for dynamic pics. Make sure to allow photo access and background refresh so images update. Once configured, verify the widget cycles as expected. If it doesn't, inspect permissions and refresh intervals before finish by aligning the widget on your home screen for visual balance and easy tapping. Lock the layout if your launcher supports it, and make sure battery saver or data restrictions aren't blocking updates. Once placed, monitor rotation and tap behavior for a few minutes. If images fail to load, try one key troubleshooting step. Confirm photo permissions and background refresh, then remove and re-add the widget. If that fails, restart the device. These steps resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.